welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing my pack with me for my bathroom bag and carry-on. So you would have already seen my pack with me video, so that went up a little bit earlier, and I said that I was going to do this video in 2 parts, and I had planned on doing it this yesterday before we had left, but it just got really crazy. So I figured I would show you guys, now that we're here in Vermont, what is that I packed and some of my favorite organizational tips. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, so for the first thing we're going to start off with is the bathroom bag. So the bag that I chose was this Vera Bradley hanging bag. I really like this bag because there's lots of different space for everything, and it can lay pretty flat in your suitcase. This like pattern isn't really my whole vibe, but whatever. I'll link some in the description box from Amazon because I'm sure you can find a bunch there. But again, I like to organize it based off of functionality. So I have in here my toothbrush and toothpaste, obviously. Since there is a bathtub at this hotel, I brought some bubble bath, my razor, and some makeup remover. And then in this one, I had just packed all of my skincare. If you are curious as to what that is, then you can check out my skincare video. I will link it up here. And then I added all of my makeup into this lower pocket. And since this is a ski trip, there shouldn't be a whole lot of makeup that is like needed. And then I packed like larger things like deodorant. This one is an aluminum free one that I picked up from like Marshalls or something. And then again, just like some bigger products like texturizing hairspray. And then up here, I just put a hairbrush, dry shampoo, and things like that. So what I like to do is once I get to the hotel, my best friend Katie, she actually kind of showed me this tip while we were in college, and that is to unpack absolutely everything from your bag, even your big checked luggage. So yeah, I'm going to unpack all of this stuff, put it where I want it, so that way it kind of feels like more so that I like live here and not that I'm just visiting. I don't know, it just helps stay a little bit more organized. So I'm going to unpack all of this stuff and put it where it needs to be so it's right there when I need it.
One look and I breathe. One touch.
Okay, so I'm just gonna film this whole video in the bathroom because it's just the easiest, and some people are out there talking and chilling out while they're getting their stuff ready too. So I wanted to show you guys what it is that I do to pack my carry-on stuff. So normally if I check a bag, I like to keep my carry-ons pretty small. So I have this backpack here that was essentially a camera backpack. So it comes with a little compartment that you can stick in the backpack where you can put your camera and all of your lenses. But since I only have my vlogging camera right now, I didn't really need to add that part in there. So it does double as just like a regular computer electronics bag. So I pretty much just use this, and I did purchase this off of Amazon, I believe, so I will link it down below. It's really cool and convenient, has lots of little compartments, pretty lightweight, and comes in like a bunch of different colors. So what I like to put in here is obviously my laptop. So it fits a really big 15-inch laptop, which is great. And then I also like to add in my iPad. I have my iPad as well because this is what I normally tend to use if we're going to watch like movies on the plane or just in the hotel, because normally I'm using my laptop for work related things or video editing. So I always like to bring both just for the versatility of each one. And then another thing that I like to do is where I am packing all of my electronic chargers, SD cards, batteries, sort of accessories for my laptops and things like that. I always like to put them in their own separate bag, and this one's great because it's like clear so I can see all of the things that are in here. Again, you can pick up almost all of these things from Amazon, so I will link them down below. But I just have my camera batteries in here. I have about 3, and then 2 more SD cards, this little attachment for my laptop, and my Apple Watch charger, iPad charger, iPhone charger. So I have all of these things in here, and this kind of keeps it from being kind of thrown around in the bag and getting really disorganized. So love this sort of method. And then this has always been something that since traveling for gymnastics, I always realized that the importance of having a speaker. So I always like to bring my little Beats pill, always charged and ready to go, because you just never know when you're going to need it, whether that's for when you're getting ready or hanging out by the pool. So it's just great to always have it. Be aware they will make you take this out of your bag if you're going through TSA. I didn't think they were gonna make me, but they definitely did. So yeah, super convenient, love having that just in case. You probably won't need it, but just in case. And then I always pack my little tripod for my camera just in case, even though you are sitting on a tissue box right now. So, I mean, sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't, just depends. So I have that as well. And then I always pack like my pen for my iPad. I have a little Tide pen in here as well. And then I just keep my computer charger in here. And this thing fits a lot of stuff. So I always have that. And then I have some extra hard drives and my passport that I never unpacked. So there's that. And then I will move on to my purse. So this purse was actually a gift to me by my best friend and her mom and dad for graduation. So thanks, Avery, because this is the best bag ever. I've used it for literally since they gave it to me. And this is the Longchamp bag. This is like the larger one and just in black. So it's not super organized in terms of like having a bunch of different compartments, but it's a great kind of bag just to throw everything in. And because it's that sort of like, I don't even know what kind of material this is, but it's kind of that more durable, heavy duty fabric that it's not gonna get scratched up or like gross or anything. So I love that for traveling, and it zips. So here, let's just go through the necessities of what I put in here. So the biggest thing is I always pack a tiny little bag in my carry-on if I can't fit it into my checked bag. Normally I do this if I have like nicer purses that I don't want to get checked in case for some reason they have to go through my luggage or something like that, it's always with me. And then I always keep a notebook because I'm somebody who loves to write down notes. I don't really take notes in my phone, so I always have that with me. And then I always keep an empty water bottle because I normally will just fill this up when I'm at the airport, so I don't have to buy water and it saves plastic. So, eco-friendly. What else? I always pack a little compartment for chapsticks, perfumes. I have like a little mini deodorant in here as well. And I keep all of my hair ties and peppermints and things like that just so they don't kind of like all lay at the bottom of this bag because things can get lost in here pretty easily. So I always keep a hairbrush, AirPods, what else? My wallet. And then I always pack my blue light prescription glasses. So I got these. They don't really come in this case, but they're just the glasses that I wear to work on my computer or on my phone. They make a world of difference. So if you work on a computer a lot, definitely pick up some blue light glasses. They'll save your eyeballs. And then normally I just put all of my jewelry in like one little jewelry box because it can kind of fit. So I have like a couple rings, all of my earrings, my gold watch that I always wear. So it just stays in here and it stays pretty organized. So, and I know that it's always with me as well, just like the purse. I always have snacks. Sour Patch Kids are my favorite snack of all time. So I always have that. I have a very dirty portable charger. So I have that with me. Birth control, regular girl things. And then these sunglasses. So these are the sunglasses that I picked up from, okay, really dirty, lots of dog hair. So these are the sunglasses that I picked up from Walmart a few months back. They're really cheap and super cute, and I like them because they're, again, pretty cheap. So if something happens to them, I'm not really concerned. I can always repurchase them. So I don't like to bring super nice things that I know can get broken or lost by accident. So yeah, oh, another cute little thing that I keep is this little guy. And he is a little Bluetooth remote, and this is how I normally take a lot of my Instagram pictures. Normally I have Tina the tripod and in my car, and I use her, and I prop my phone up, and then I connect this to my phone, and that way I can take pictures without having to have somebody there. So that's another cute little hack if you are doing things by yourself and you just need some, or if you're traveling with a couple and you guys don't really want to ask somebody to take pictures of you, sometimes you can just set your tripod up and take your own pictures. So those are super easy ways to kind of stay kind of organized. And like I said, I like to keep all of my clothes and everything that I pack either in the closets or the drawers. computers, I kind of lay out and have them all plugged in, so that way I know everything is charged and ready to go in case I need it. And then most of the tech and carry-on purse items kind of stay in there unless I really need them to kind of be taken out. So anyway, this was part 2 of my how I pack video. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.